Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time, yet again, your answers do not have to match mine because these are open-ended questions and you can write whatever is correct and make sure your spellings are correct as well. Now, what is the demand of the SLO? SLO clearly says that you have to use interrogative pronouns. Now, what are interrogative pronouns? They are simply the WH words or the question words. So, what we are going to do today is we are going to learn specific interrogative pronouns which are used for different purposes. For example, what WH words can be used for people, for things, and for ideas, because for each of these categories there are different set of interrogative questions. For example, if it is a person, you can either choose who or whom. If it is a thing or idea, you can choose what. If it is a choice, you have to choose which. Or if it is an ownership, you have to choose the word whose. Now this slide is extremely important because if you are going to learn all of these WH words according with their category by heart, you will never make a wrong question. Now questions are very important because if you're not going to ask a question, you will never learn. In the previous slide, we have learned who is used for a person in case of you are using it as an subject. Now, whom is again for a person and it is usually in formal question. Now, what is the difference? If it is a subject, subject means it is a performer. Performer means he is doing something, then it is who. If it is an object and receiving the action, then you have to choose whom. So, you have to choose any of these very cleverly because if you're going to choose a wrong word, that the question is going to be wrong as well. I've told you what is used for things or an idea. For example, what is your favorite book and which is chosen to if you have a choice. Got it? If you have a lot of options, then you have to choose the word which. For example, which color do you like the best? So I've told you for things or idea, you have to choose WH interrogative pronoun. And if you have a lots of options and you have a choice, then you have to choose which for it. Now, we have already discussed that whose is referring to ownership. If somebody owns it and we have no idea who is the owner, then we are going to choose whose. Whose bag is this? Let's repeat. For person, who and whom. For thing or idea, what. If you have a lot of choices, you have to use which. And to understand the ownership, you have to choose whose. Got it? So, to check your understanding of the focus, we have designed one formative check in your practice book. You have to do it in the class with the help of your teacher. Then go home, do your homework. See you again in the next Be Lift. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.